Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll really help my channel out a lot. Here's a sneak peek of what we're going to be making today. We're going to be making these beautiful bubblegum inspired resin coasters. I'm going to be using the Clearcast 7050 resin, and I already mixed up my resin and my pigments off camera just to save time. But if you're new to resin and you want to see a tutorial showing step by step how to mix your resin and your pigments, I will link my Milky Way coaster tutorial down below in the description box. Be sure to go check it out because it's full of great information, tips, and tricks. So let's jump in and get started. I'm filling my molds up halfway on the first day. I added a little bit of clear to the bottom of my molds. I filled them up just under halfway with clear. Now I'm going on with my heat gun on low to pop bubbles, and I'm going to be using the Island Micas and More Surfs Up White pigment, Arteza Bubblegum Glow, and Black Pearl by Resin. And all I did for this was just draw straight lines of my pigmented resin. Super simple and easy. All you have to do is just draw straight lines. This is a little bit messy, but no worries. That's why I work over wax paper. It's an easy cleanup. I'm going to take my finger and go around the rim of the coaster, and here we are 1 hour later. And this is in real time because I wanted to show you guys how jelly and goopy this resin is already. And I honestly kind of thought these looked cool just as they were. As the resin kind of sits, it self-levels and gives you some cool wispy effects. But I wanted to go in and do these swirly designs. I am just using the bottom end of a paintbrush, and I'm only working on the surface of the resin. I'm not pushing down to the bottom of my mold because you don't want to damage your molds. And that was it. I let them sit for 24 hours, and here we are the next day. I mixed up some hot pink glitter into some clear resin, filling up the molds up the rest of the way, hit it with my heat gun on low, covered them up, let them dry for 24 hours, and now we're ready to demold them. This technique is so super simple and easy, and I feel like they turn out beautiful every single time. I've tried it with a bunch of different brands of resin, and each time they've turned out really, really pretty. But I was really excited to try the Surfs Up White in some coasters because I know it works really great for ocean waves, but I wanted to see how it would work with this type of application, and I think it worked out really nice. Let me know what you guys think. It got some really nice, pretty, wispy effects in there. So I'm going to take these inside into some better lighting. I do resin out in my garage, so it's pretty dark out there, but here they are in some good lighting, and you can just see how beautiful they turned out. That glitter is so sparkly and beautiful, and there's a subtle pink from the Arteza Bubblegum Glow. When you use it next to white, it just gives you a really pretty, subtle pink undertone, which is what I was going for with this set. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you give this a try. Like I said, it's super simple and easy, but the key is waiting that 1 hour to go in and do your designs, because if you don't wait until your resin's kind of already starting to set up, your designs won't stay in place as well as if you waited a bit. You definitely don't want to wait too long, so around 1 hour I've found is a good time to go in and do your designs. If you like this video, please leave me a like, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and go check out a few more of my other videos. That would really help out my channel a lot. I'll leave a few of my favorites right here. Just click the picture and it'll take you straight to the video. I hope you guys are all doing great, and I will see you soon for another video. Thanks again for watching. Bye guys.